write a million cards.
A million what cards?
Cards. I have to write a million cards. I have to write like 4 of them.
Why?
My friend's birthday's on Saturday, so I got her a card, and then I sent Anna a card because her birthday's on Monday. I need to mail it out, and then Mona's is on the 22nd, so I need to get her a card and write that because I won't be able to do anything until graduation day. It's a lot. Why did I just let you laugh at that?